A mother's exposure to air pollution can lead to a baby being born with a low birth rate. A study published in JAMA found that fine particulate matter in the air is linked with low birth weight, which is a risk factor for infant death and several health conditions later in life. The risk is especially high during early and mid-pregnancy. Popular weight loss drugs could help overweight kids who suffer from asthma. A study published in JAMA found GLP-1 medications were beneficial in relieving the symptoms of obesity-related asthma. Children who took the medications experienced fewer asthma attacks and fewer visits to the emergency room linked to asthma. Now, it's definitely getting colder outside, and if it's dangerous outside for humans, that means it's also dangerous outside for our pets. Michael George shows us how to keep our dogs and cats safe during this winter weather.
Good girl.
Mo Hussein just started fostering 8-year-old Princess, and he noticed right away that because she's a short-haired breed, she was more sensitive to the cold.
You can tell when Princess is cold.
Yeah. So you start seeing signs if you're looking. They might curl up a little tighter, or you'll see a little bit of shaking and shivering in the rear legs, things like that.
With temperatures dropping, it's a good reminder that just because our furry friends have fur, that doesn't mean they're safe in the cold.
Cold weather can be very dangerous for animals.
Julie Castle, CEO of Best Friends Animal Society, an animal welfare organization, says anytime it's below 20 degrees, cats and dogs are vulnerable to frostbite and even death.
If it's below 20 degrees, if you have little booties that you can put on your dog's feet, use those.
Animals' paws, ears, and noses are the most vulnerable to cold. You should limit walks outside to the bare minimum. And when you get back inside, check your pet's paws for salt used to melt the snow.
Snow melt can be poisonous to a lot of animals, and so make sure that you wipe their paws, wash their paws off after they get outside from a long walk.
And a warning, even if you're not a pet owner, in the winter, cats often seek out the warmth of a car engine.
So if you're going to get in your car and go somewhere, make sure that you tap on the hood. I even pop my hood just to make sure there are no animals underneath there.
Mo says Princess loves her outdoor time, but he always makes sure she's warm.
Dogs in particular are so stoic. They deal with so much pain without letting you know that anything's wrong. So it's really good to keep an eye on them.
A good reminder that a warm pet is a happy pet. Michael George, CBS News, New York.
And some more advice: keep your dog's leash when it's snowing. The snow can disrupt their sense of smell and make it easy for them to get lost.